Now, hi students. I'm going to do the ramp here now at this point. And just before I get into that, you'll notice that this is my ground floor that I created in the last video. And if I select it, you can see that I put a square tile on it just to give it a little bit of a distinguishing color from the bland gray of the floor slab next door. It actually picks out the square building as well quite nicely there too. Right. So here's the ramp. And what we need to do for the ramp, obviously, we need to build retaining walls to go around the corner here. And I'm doing a curved ramp like so, rather than coming straight out here. It's quite simple enough to do. This is I'll show you my walls here. Okay, so I've gone from ground floor to ground floor with minus 3.6 for each of those walls there. That's a straight wall. That is a curve and radius. Okay, so I drew out the shape of the ramp first using construction lines. So they are just annotate, detail line, thin lines, and I've drawn this out first. I'm putting in a 900 footpath to the side, and I've got a 6.3 here. And I've just offset that wall a little bit. The actual ramp will be no less than kind of 5.5 width. I've also put a center line in down here, of the center line of the actual roadway too. Okay, now so that's that. So once you've kind of drawn this out and sketched it out as to how you want it, I'll show you an advantage of doing that when I go to create the slab here now. So it's into architecture and into floor. And I want to pick the basement slab floor. Okay, and in this case, I'm going to use pick line. See this command up here? Okay, pick line. And the beauty of that is that it'll draw this shape for us, more or less. Okay, that one. And then we'll just finish this off with these two here, there to there, and I have to do a little escape to a trim here on this one. Working, yeah. Okay, so now there's my slab, and it's going in at basement, it's going in at 0, and I'll finish that. Okay, that's how that's looking. Let's look at that in 3D. Okay, now there's our slab. Obviously, it's not sloped as yet, but I'm going to show you how to do that now. So once we've created the slab, we are going to pick it and we're going to go into modify sub-elements here, right? And you'll notice that it's giving me some points here. So I can pick that point, and that's going to go up to 0. Okay, 0. And then that point going to go to 0. All right. Now it's this is the cut plane that it's cutting through here. It should interpolate now. Hopefully that should be minus 3.6. Let's see what this one is. Okay. So this is where we need to do maybe a little bit of working out in order to get that 1:12 slope distance. So I'm going to kind of do this just by eye at the moment. So I'll do this at minus 1. And then minus 1. Okay, so you need to do a little calculation on the distance by 1:12, and that calculation will tell you what that figure is there. All right. Now let's go back into this one here, and that is going to be, let's say, minus 300. Actually, that'll be 0. That'll be 0. Oh no, it won't be 0. It'll be minus 3.6. Okay, and then this one here will be minus 3.6. Let's see how that looks in 3D now. We should actually maybe draw a section through that. Okay, now that actually is quite good because there's our slope down. And that one is, what is that one? Minus 1,000. That should be minus 3. Isn't that right? Yeah, there we go. Now, if it can't pick that line through an object, so you have to spin around here in order to be able to pick that. So it's, again, -3. Okay. Now, let's see how that's kind of working out for us. Like that. All right. Now, that's probably not 1 in 12, but you get the idea. Okay. So we could make this, and again, if you just do a little bit of a calculation on this, modify sub-elements and minus 27, say 27. Okay, yeah, that looks a bit better. And then we just do a spin around here to get to this one. Now, if you do a straight ramp, you'll be able to get this an awful lot easier, an awful lot quicker. Now, that's roughly the idea for your ramp. Okay, like so. So we're coming in and around the corner there.